Hello, I am Pankaj Saran and I will continue the topic using MS Excel as a database. In last turn we have learned about sorting and filtering. Sorting, three types of sorting: A to Z, Z to A, and custom sort. A to Z and Z to A work on only the first field, and custom sort work on any field, desired field. And what is filtering? Filtering is extraction of data from the available database. It is also of two types. One is auto filter and other is advanced filter. In auto filter, two types of filtering can be done: exact filtering or numeric or text filtering. And other method is advanced filter, where there is two ranges: list range and criteria range. In list range, the database range is known as list range, and the criteria range where the condition is given. There are some rules for giving condition or criteria. Number one is condition field name must be in same row and condition just below the field name, and condition can be of when there is multiple condition, then there is concept of and or operator. If both conditions are given in same row, it indicates the AND condition, means it will show the result if both are true. And when this is the example of OR, when one condition is just below the field name and other is one row below the previous condition, then this type of condition is known as known as OR operator. Means Hindi marks greater than 78 or math marks greater than 85. We have learned all about it, sorting and filtering. Next concept is subtotal. Now what is the meaning of subtotal? Subtotal means we have to find the total according to particular group. Suppose in this database there is a group section, and we want to find the subtotal of subjects with respect to total. Means section A got how much marks in Hindi, Maths or English, and section B got what marks, and section C got what marks. It can be obtained through the subtotal. First you have to select the list range, it is known as list range. Then move to the data tab, and here is the subtotal. You have to click on it. Now here is a concept: at each change in. What is the meaning of at each change in? Means when the value of the given field will change, the particular the particular formula will apply. Means if the section changed, then automatically a subtotal of that particular format will be performed. Now suppose here I am given OK. Now it is given here Ram total, Mohan total, Sohan total. It is not a perfect concept of giving total there, because there is no grouping of because name is not a group. Here grouping can be performed on the section. Suppose I want to perform the section. Now click on the other times subtotal and change the at each change in section. Suppose you done the section. Now see what happened. Now here is total. Now here A total. Now again here A total, here B total, here B total also. So before, from here we can see that to form the exact subtotaling, first you have to sort that particular field on which you want to perform subtotaling. So we have to perform subtotaling on the field according to the group of section. So first select the database or list range, and you have to sort. What we will have according to A to Z or Z to A or sort, we have to sort custom sort, because we have to sort the section, because and A to Z and Z to A work on the only on the first field. Suppose we have to select the section and values from A to Z. Okay, now see here, A section, B section, C section. Clear? Now we have to perform subtotal. At each change in section, when section value change, then it will perform sum on. You can change the function according to your requirement. Here used function is sum. Here sum will perform on Hindi subject, English, math, science, social science, computer science, and total percentage. Clear? Now click on OK. It shows A total, B total, C total, and one more thing is grand total. Now section A got total 167 marks, English 166 marks, and this is here. Similarly for section B and similarly for section C, and it is a grand total obtained from in the section A, B or C. This is the grand total. Now you are also seeing that here is showing number 1, 2, 3, and here is a 1 minus plus sign or minus sign is here. It is also known as grouping. When subtotaling perform, there will perform the grouping according to the field you have changed. Suppose here grouping perform according to A, B and C. So A, B and C, and what is this? It is for grand total, and here is number 1, 2, 3. Suppose you click on this, it becomes plus, means it is collapsed form. When it is in minus form, it means it is expanded form, and it will show the entire record, but when you click plus sign, only show the subtotal. Now here A total, B total, C total, it is not showing the any record, but here it shows the grand total. When you click on it, it will collapse. It will show only the grand total obtained from the in all the section. Now here grouping perform 3 groups according to A total, B total and C, according section A, section B, section C, and one is grand total. Here it is expanded form of A, B and C, and it is grand total. Now similarly here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 also represent the group. 1 represent the grand total, 2 represent the subtotal and the grand total, and 3 represent the entire record. You can show the result according to this 3 number. 3 means all the expanded form, 2 means subtotals and grand total, and 1 means only grand total. You can achieve it from clicking on here plus minus expanded form or collapsed form, or from here 1, 2, 3. It is also known as grouping. Clear? Now you can remove this concept, remove this subtotal and make it as a original. Then you have to select remove all. It will remove all the applied subtotals. Clear? But remember one thing, for performing subtotal, on which field you want to perform the subtotaling, database must be sorted according to that field, either on ascending order or on descending order, but database must be sorted according to that field in which you want to find the subtotal. Now by removing the remove all option, by using the remove all option, all the subtotaling or grouping removed from the database. So subtotal work according to the collapse and expand form or according to the grouping of 1, 2, 3. What is the meaning of 3? 3 is expanded form, all expanded form. 2 means subtotals and grand total, and 1 means only the grand total. Clear? Now next concept is data validation. What is the meaning of validation? Means whatever we want to enter, whether it is valid or invalid. So we have to check the condition here using the data validation of the data tab. Suppose I want to check here sheet 2, create a new table or new database. Suppose I want to create a database name, age, salary. Suppose it is code 1, name ABC. Now I want to suppose it is a recruitment process and we want to that age must be in between 21 to 35. So at this time we can enter the 78, it will accept, but I want that when we enter the date, it must be checked by the condition. This type of checking of condition is known as data validation. So we have to check data validation on this table or list. Suppose we have 4 records. Suppose we have 4 records and we have to apply check on the entering the age of the entering value of age field, and we have to check it is a recruitment process and we have to check that age must be in between 21 to 35. So first I remove this value. Now select the range and move the data and data validation. Click on data validation, click here. Number 1 is input message. Suppose here it is settings, input message and error alert. Number 1 is, suppose I want to enter here input message, means here when this will appear when you type the value in age. Title, suppose I give the title is age entry, input message, enter age between 21 to 35. Suppose it is a age entry and it is a message. Now settings allow any value, means it will any value, it will be a whole number, decimal number, list, date, time, it is up to you. Suppose I select the any value. Data between, you can select different types of value.